In this video, we're going to take a look at the New York State Education Department Computer Science and Digital Fluency activity books that were created to help you out from educators statewide. This is not something that is tied into the New York State Education website or anything that was developed by them. This is just a guiding document that was put together to help us roll these standards out into our classrooms. What you see on your page and what is linked into your course are the 5 books that were created based on the grade bands. Since we are doing grade bands 2, 3, we're going to click on the second book that you see on your page. This book is going to have only the computer science and digital fluency standards for your grade band and activities that can work within your classroom. You may also want to take a look at the K1 and the 4-6 because there may be other ideas that you could either adjust to fit up or modify to still work with your students based on the grades that they are currently in. So I clicked on the Read Now, and the way the book works is you're going to click the arrow to go to each page. You'll see that the book is broken down into each of the concept areas. I'm going to click on the first one just to show you how the book works. So you'll see where it says impacts of computing, you'll see the 4 sub-concept areas listed. On the subsequent pages, you're going to see the sub-concept area. You're going to see this identifier at the top and the standard. Inside the colored box, you're going to see the clarifying statement. And at the bottom, you're going to see the New York State Education Department examples that were on that PDF. So all of that information from those 2 PDFs we've already covered are already listed inside these books to help you out and see it all in one place. As I turn to the next page, what you're going to see are resources that you can use for your students about these, covering these standards. So for example, here is a lesson from Common Sense Education. You would click on the link and it would open up in a new tab for you to be able to explore the resource. There's also a link to the resource, and then it moves on to other activities. You'll notice some of them are free, some of them are paid or considered a freemium that are somewhat paid or somewhat free. So you'll be able to take a look at all of the standards from impacts to computing through to digital literacy, and you'll get some ideas on what it could look like in your classroom. So take some time to go through these books, write down the ones that work for you, or think about where you can use these in your classroom, or maybe it'll spark an idea of something that you already do that will fit this area. But definitely take some time to look through these books to help you out to see what it could look like in action.